What's up everyone, this is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel where we give you daily updates on the crypto market. Today we have another airdrop. This is an airdrop for 6 networks. We have this for Atom, Luna, JUNO, Stargaze, Comdex, XPRT, Persistence. So make sure to check this video because a lot of people will receive this airdrop. So if you take a look at the side of Assetmantle, you can see the stakers on the nominated IBC connected chains will be rewarded with Mantle tokens. So let's get into the video. If we go to the downside, they will explain to you what is Stakedrop. Stakedrop is a token distribution mechanism that allows stakers of some of the most prominent proof-of-stake networks to get exposure to Mantle tokens. So you will see 9 million Mantle tokens will be distributed to participants of the Stakedrop across all the 6 different chains. So to participate in the campaign, users will need to stake their tokens with any active validator and send a magic transaction to the designated wallet address. All on-chain staking wallets are illegal. So how it works, they will explain this in 4 steps. So the first step, you should be staking. If you are doing this, the second step, send a magic transaction. So we are going to do this first for Cosmos. If we click onto view, you just have to provide your address here or connect with your Kepler. I just provide my address, calculate. You will see I didn't do the magic transaction, so I will click on complete magic transaction. Click approve. So this is the magic transaction we need to do. We just click approve, confirm it into your ledger, approve. As you can see, this gives me a message, magic transaction successful. Okay. So now that this has done, just click calculate. Now you will see total estimated rewards that you will receive. So now let's go to the downside. We can see claim your daily rewards. So take the quiz. You can see participate in the quiz to receive 40% of the Mantle rewards at the end of the campaign. So how can you participate in governance for Assetmantle chain? Staking, just choose 15 November, submit, next. Which NFT standard is Assetmantle built on? Enter NFT. Submit. Just approve this. Confirm it. Great job. I answered 3 out of 12 questions correctly. So I'm going to share my result just to show them some support. Alright, close this. Completed. So now we go back to the page to do the same thing for XPRT. So if we go to the downside, as I said in my previous videos, my second 2 last videos were about how to provide liquidity for XPRT and how to stake your XPRT to be eligible for the upcoming airdrops. As you can see, this is already an airdrop dropping to XPRT. So click view, just choose your persistence address, put it down here, calculate. Alright, complete the magic transaction. Just click approve. Now we wait a bit. Alright, it's successful. Magic transaction successful. Click OK. Now we're going to do the quiz again. It's expired. We cannot do the quiz again. Alright. So now the only thing that you need to do is to wait until they distribute the tokens to your address that you provided after you did the magic transaction. If you want to earn some extra rewards, you can do the daily quiz. You can come to here daily and take the quiz. This one is expired, but for Atom it's still available. I will give you an update when the other airdrops are available for Luna, JUNO, Comdex, Stargaze. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on those 4 airdrops. So now that we know everything, how to claim our Stakedrop, we just click right in the corner, click onto airdrop, and you will see there are 2 other parts of the airdrop. We did this one. Now we have osmosis liquidity providers. So for everyone who's providing liquidity for Atom, XPRT, JUNO, STARS, Comdex, UST, Luna, Sommelier, Secret Network, or UST on osmosis, you will also be eligible for another part of the airdrop. So click check eligibility. Just provide your osmosis address. Click confirm. You will see you will also have an airdrop for that. Then we have a third airdrop for OpenSea NFT users. So if we click on to check eligibility, we just provide our Ethereum address. Click confirm. This will also give you an allocation for the airdrop. So that's how you can see what your total allocation is for the Assetmantle Airdrop. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments. Right, that was it for today. I will see you into the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.